Move over, Beyonce. Make way for Miss Jackie.
Thanks again for agreeing to work the weekend on short notice. It's fine.
I am a single mom and about to lose my home. You know I need the money.
What you need is a man.
And who would even want all my baggage?
I've been running.
What time do the guests arrive?
Well, it's only one guest.
My name is Aaliyah. Nice to meet you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Oh my gosh, you
It's
just
fine.
got here and I'm already misunderstood. Let me get you some ice.
Thank you.
Oh, this looks good. Hey, since I'm the only guest here, would you like to join me?
If you want it, you can catch this vibe.
Is he good looking?
He is. Damn. What kind of writer are you?
I'm a screenwriter.
My husband wanted to be one of those, but he could never catch a break. I think some people are just lucky.
But I believe we create our own luck.
You must watch a lot of Oprah.
Good morning. I'm here to buy the place.
Now I'm losing my job and my home. I wish God would bless me with a miracle.
Look in the mirror. Everything that you're seeking is right in front of you.
Having you here has really lifted my spirit.
So, how did she take it when you told her?
Well, I haven't told her yet.
It's about time you seeing yourself.
What I've seen in you since day one.
Now I know we're all co-creators of our own reality. Ew, why did it Hey, get back in the house, little nosy.
Ain't nobody but you.